Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you an AI category token which is very undervalued right now, and this pump is going to start, and it has huge potential as it is of AI category tokens. And if you will check the fundamentals are really awesome. You can check out its websites also. Here you will get all the details about this project. It is loading now. It is taking much time, so you go check it out. What is it is all about? You will know what it is doing right now and what its future plans. So I'm skipping this, and let me take you to these official social handles, which is Twitter's X. Let me just show you. So this is AIT protocol. It has currently 84.6k followers, and recently they have posted also something about their projects. You should go and check out this before it goes up and blows up to 10x and 20x very fast. Just be the earliest as possible now. If I tell you more about this, where can you buy these tokens? It is available in Bitgate exchange, Gate.io exchange, BingX, Maxis, all the big exchanges they are listed. And if I tell you some more important thing, that some of the big YouTuber names which are a great successful influencer crypto YouTubers, they have bought this heavily, done the massive ways huge buying at this level. Right now it is 70% up in one day. So let me show you the current market cap. Current market cap is 27.84 million market cap. So if it does 10x, the future value of market cap will be 278 million market cap if it does 10x. If you put now 10,000s of dollars, it will give you the returns of $1,000 at 278 million dollars of market cap. If it does 100x, then your what I was saying, 10,000 will become 1 million. If it goes to just 2.78 billion, your 10,000 could turn into $1 million. But remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not forcing you to buy this. So please do your own research before investing in anything. Please do your own research. This is very good opportunity, and final conclusion is that a very great successful influencer, big YouTube channel, crypto YouTuber had bought this at the whales levels. So you should go and check this out before it goes 10x, 100x, and maybe 1000x, who knows, because this is the starting phase of the bull market. So don't miss it before it goes up, because you will be the exit liquidity. So if you want to know more, then subscribe my channel. I'll bring some more videos.